Here we have another accomplish the goal question, kind of like number 2, but this time I'm only giving you the one sentence. Why don't we need the context? Well, because the question tells us not to care about it, right? It says, which choice best supports the information that follows in the sentence, meaning this stuff right here, this non-underlined portion. So with these accomplish the goal questions, hopefully they give you a very specific goal. Just follow those instructions. Like, that's really half the job on these goal questions. Just do what you're told. Read what you're supposed to, narrow your focus to that, stick to what you're supposed to do, and you won't run into problems. Because if we just focus on the end here, we can get a really, really simple, dumb summary, right? We want to just boil the ideas down to the simplest thing we can. And this underlined part is really simple as it is. Giesel was an experienced writer and illustrator. What word is doing a lot of work in that underlined portion? Well, it's the word experienced. So what's my dumb summary? I need something that has to do with experience. It's that simple. Now when I go to the choices, I'm not listening to see which choice sounds best or which one I find most interesting. I'm going with the choice that talks about experience. So let's see. We start with choice A, what's written there. Having known Spalding for many years and having maintained a professional relationship with him. Well, knowing someone for a long time has nothing to do with experience, so that doesn't really work. Having acquired a reputation for perfectionism and for setting high standards for his work. Well, I mean, there'd be a stretch to say that that's experience, right? Like, you can be a perfectionist and not be very good at something, and just that doesn't mean you're experienced. You have to have time that you've put in. So we want evidence of experience. So this isn't quite right either. C, having been interested in politics before breaking into the genre of children's literature. Well, I don't care what his interests are. So hopefully it's D here. Having published 9 children's books and having received 3 nominations for the prestigious Caldecott Medal. Well, this sounds like a resume line, right? I mean, it's his accomplishments, his experience. So that's it. We're done. It's that easy. We want to kind of narrow this stuff down as much as we can so that way we have a clear idea of what we're looking for in our choices. If you can boil it down, when you find that same idea in the choice, the right answer, it's going to be pretty obvious and you'll be very confident in your pick. This question is easy if we just focus on the word experience.